Hey guys, welcome to this video. So today we are going to unwrap the Sheep Blood Agar Plates which are manufactured by TM Media. But first, let's get a brief idea about the plates. So these are ready to use culture media plates which are widely used in diagnostic applications. They are also manufactured in a quality control environment which has an entire automated production line. The control environment with minimum human interference also ensures minimum contamination risk. So, now let's move with the unwrapping. As we all know, packaging plays a very important role in maintaining the quality and shelf life of the product. Therefore, TM Media makes sure that the plates are kept safe at each step of packaging. So, now let's find out how detailed the entire packaging has been curated by TM Media. As you can see, the plates are shipped in a master carton, and this master carton contains a high quality thermocol box inside it. These boxes keeps the plate safe during long distance transportation, shipping and handling. Now, let's open the thermocol box and see what's inside it. Look at these. There are 5 plates in each packaging, and each packaging has 2 layers of wrapping material around it. All these layers are transparent, easy to tear and quality approved. These are also available in packagings of 20 and 50 plates. Now, let's look at the label. The label, as you can see, is present on the outermost layer, which is also known as the peripheral layer. And all these informations are also printed on the label, such as the product name, the product code, the batch number, the manufacturing date, the expiry date, and all these informations are also printed on the edges of the plates, which I'll show you later on. It also includes other informations like the storage temperature and the company details. Now, let's open the layers one by one. We understand that this product is very sensitive. Therefore, we have also added another layer which is known as the inner layer. This layer acts as an extra protection to maintain the knackness of the product. As you can see, the plates also contain a silica gel which is present between the inner layer and the plates. Now here I am sure you can see the details that are printed on the edges. Well, this is only for your benefit because if printed at the back of the plates, it will get very difficult for you to count the colonies, and incorrect colony count will surely jeopardize the whole process. But TM Media is very conscious of each and every step of usage by the microbiologist. So, with TM Media's plates, your journey with handling the diagnosis will become very easy. As you can see, these plates contain a high quality media and defibrinated sheep blood that is tested as per the standard procedures to maintain a batch-to-batch repeatability. These plates are one of the essential culture medias in today's clinical world because they are very efficient and accurate. So, that's all for today. I really hope you liked this video and thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget us to DM your questions. We would be glad to see the comments.